Welcome to Standard Chartered India Money Insights, a podcast series that brings you topical insights and local perspectives on India's markets from the experts.
Hello everyone, my name is Ravi. Welcome to another edition of our weekly podcast. Global equities came under pressure this week amid region-specific cues. Asian equities consolidated amid still weak economic data from China, Taiwan and Korea. US equities remained volatile as sentiment swung amid dovish comments from US Fed members and still resilient services and labour market fueling expectations of rate hikes later this year. For the week, the MSCI World, MSCI Asia ex-Japan and MSCI China indices fell around 1 to 1.5%. In the US, the S&P 500 index, Dow Jones Industrial Average and Nasdaq Composite fell around 0.7 to 1.9%. Back home, Indian equities rose for the second consecutive week. The Nifty index trended positive on all 5 trading days of the week as sentiments remained upbeat on strong domestic macro data and sustained domestic investor buying. Broader markets continued to outperform the Nifty index, with the Nifty Mid-Cap Index up 3.9% and the Nifty Small-Cap Index up 3.4% for the week. Among sectors, all sectors ended the week in green. Realty, utilities and capital goods led the rally with gains of over 4.8%, while auto and FMCG were the laggards. Indian fixed income market came under pressure this week. Indian government bond yields rose later in the week, tracking higher US bond yields amid strong labour market data and heavy supply of bonds at the weekly debt auction. The 10-year Indian government bond yield rose 3 basis points over the week to close at 7.2%, while the 3-year and 5-year Indian government bond yields rose by 3 basis points and 4 basis points respectively. The INR depreciated against the USD this week amid rising crude oil prices, foreign investor outflows, strengthening US dollar and higher US bond yields. For the week, the INR fell 0.3% to close at 82.9 per dollar. Brent crude oil price rallied 2.2% this week to close at USD 90.5 per barrel, up 25% from the June 2023 lows, after Saudi Arabia and Russia announced an extension of output cuts through December 2023. Among the other macro updates for the week, the first was on India's FX reserve. As of the week ended 1st September 2023, India's FX reserves stood at USD 599 billion, up USD 4 billion over the past week and up USD 20 billion since the end of March 2023. The rise was primarily driven by foreign currency assets, which rose by USD 21 billion, while gold reserves declined by USD 0.3 billion during the same period. The second update was on India's monsoon update. As of 8th of September 2023, cumulative rainfall for India stood at 11% below its long period average as per IMD, with East and Northeast India registering an 18% below long period average rainfall, with the Gangetic West Bengal, Bihar and Jharkhand recording deficits between 24 to 33%. Central India registered a 10% below long period average rainfall, with Saurashtra and Kutch recording 46% above long period average rainfall, while Madhya Maharashtra and Marathwada recording around 19% to 22% deficit rainfall. Northwest India registered a 3% below long period average rainfall, with West Rajasthan and Himachal Pradesh recording 34% and 24% surplus rainfall, while Eastern UP recorded a 30% deficit and Eastern Rajasthan recorded a 12% deficit rainfall. Southern Peninsular region recorded a 10% below long period average rainfall, with Andaman and Nicobar Island recording a surplus of 37%, Telangana a surplus of 21%, while Raisalima and Kerala and Mahe region recorded a deficit of 14% and 43% respectively. At this point, I'll take a pause and thank you as always for listening. If you enjoyed this podcast, please like and subscribe. Have a great week ahead.
Thank you for listening to Standard Chartered India Money Insights. Stay tuned for the latest updates and market trends by subscribing to our podcast. For more information, reach out to your Standard Chartered Relationship Manager or visit www.se.com/in.